The best meat tenderizers for every home cook. Cooking meat is not easy. You need exceptional culinary skills to make the meat tender and juicy and ensure it's delicious. However, with the best meat tenderizers in your kitchen, you can achieve all these. Whether you are cooking chicken, steak, or fish, the meat has to be tender and succulent. This is where a meat tenderizer comes into play. It helps you achieve the required taste and softness, enhancing your cooking experience. Here's a list of some of the best ones you can find online. Number 1. Best for countertops, commercial meat tenderizer. The commercial meat tenderizer is a versatile kitchen tool made of robust aluminum and food-grade ABS rollers. It lets you pound tough cuts of meat for quick cooking. The clamp-on design is simple to install on any table or countertop. It comes with a plastic cover for added protection. The meat cuber tenderizer helps marinate tough cuts of meat without pounding. Clamp-on design will attach to your table or countertop. The plastic cover protects the user. Use this KitchenAid meat tenderizer like chicken tenderizer or steak tenderizer, or as you like. Pros: easy to clean, smooth handle, removable cover, makes no noise. Cons: comes with no instruction manual. Number 2. Best comfortable grip, new OXO Good Grips meat tenderizer. This 2-in-1 kitchen tool, made of food-grade quality ABS plastic, allows you to pound and tenderize the meat effectively. It will enable you to cook meat with the best flavor and taste in a short time. The tool tenderizes meat quickly thanks to its pyramid-shaped teeth on the textured side. Its slip-free handle provides a comfortable grip and provides enhanced protection. The pyramid-shaped teeth are perfect for breaking down tougher fibers to tenderize proteins and prepare them for marinating. The meat tenderizer is dishwasher-friendly. Pros: BPA-free, sturdy grip, impact-resistant, easy to clean. Cons: a bit small in size. Number 3. Best Mallet-Style meat tenderizer hammer by JY Cooking. The meat tenderizer hammer is a double-side mallet-style tool suitable for professional and personal use. The tool's flat side is ideal for pounding, while the textured side is appropriate for tenderizing meat. This kitchen gadget's ergonomic design makes it simple to use and control. Amazing meat tenderizer hammer tool to reduce your cooking time and let you enjoy perfectly and evenly cooked chicken, steak, and veal that is juicy and flavorful. This premium quality stainless steel meat tenderizer is also very simple to clean and dishwasher safe. Pros: rust-proof, reduce cooking time, 100% food grade, sturdy construction. Cons: a bit bulky. Number 4. Best No Assembly Chef Master Meat Tenderizer Tool. The Chef Master Meat Tenderizer lightweight tool, made of safe materials, with 48 stainless steel blades, makes it easy to puncture various types of meat to improve their flavor and juiciness. This manual meat tenderizer tool is effective on many different types and cuts of meat. Works on beef, steak, chicken, fish, turkey, pork, veal, and many others. You can use this kitchen tool for cooking multiple types of meat, including beef, chicken, fish, and turkey, and reduce cooking time by up to 40%. It is dishwasher safe and quick to assemble. Pros: rust-resistant, lightweight, innovative design. No assembly is required. Cons: takes time to clean. Number 5. Best Safety Features Kitchendao Deluxe Meat Tenderizer Tool. Kitchendao's Deluxe Meat Tenderizer tool has 48 razor-sharp blades that effectively penetrate tough meat to create heat channels and shorten cooking time. The traditional meat tenderizer usually comes with a brush, but still hard to clean. What if the tiny brush gets lost? This new meat tenderizer could be detached quickly for easier and better cleaning. The transparent cover will keep it clean during storage. Keep drying after cleaning. This device allows the heat to penetrate easily through meat and cooks it evenly. It comes with a transparent cover that is detachable and easy to clean. The palm-shaped handle of the meat tenderizer allows you to press effortlessly. Pros: features safety lock, comfortable grip, comes with a money-back guarantee, easy to store. Cons: blades require a hard push. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.